So how much do I really believe in what I'm doing? It's it isn't it easy for a surgeon to just operate. That's what they do. I've got not only a lot of experience, but I've got personal skin in this one. I've had direct family members, in-laws, aunts, uncles, family of my employees more than once, people that I know well that have undergone surgery. And if I thought the surgery that I did was hit or miss, flip of the coin, cut of the cards, I'd never do that. These are people that I see all the time. I think for the right problem and the right surgery, it's got to heal, the results can be consistent time and time out. I don't think anything's perfect, but they're really consistently good.